the night before Thanksgiving and he's done. Some of you that are new to this, let me tell you what this is. I've got over 4,000 subscribers now, and I started this journey basically to help people out in the business, life, blue-collar deals. Money, machinery, cars, Mustangs, Crown Vics, and my stump grinding business. Turns out you guys have helped me through a lot of stuff, and this is my way of giving back to all the people that subscribed. It's also leaving something for my son to learn from, hear his father, and leave a little bit of a legacy behind. Now, what we're going on here is I did a piece of artwork, okay? I found this on the internet. It basically was some t-shirt art, and it was plain. I redrew it, put my own twist on it, put some color in it, and I'm an artist, a hack of an artist. I'm just a hack with a brush. Real quick, I don't want to bore you because one guy wrote me and said I talk too damn much. Sorry about that, brother. It's just me. I'm an old man. Give me a break. Old man that can still break you in half. But anyway, it's been a great year with you guys. This is Thanksgiving. It's my way of giving something back to somebody, some lucky person. It's some artwork of Popeye the Sailorman on a motorcycle. I did it in the evenings and in the spare time. It was tough to make the deadline, but it is what it is. So all that's left is I got to put a coat of gloss urethane on this, and I will probably Saturday. But the contest runs, it's free to anyone in the world. It runs from 11/25, which is tomorrow, until 12/11. That's the December 11th, Saturday at midnight. That's the last comment I'll count. And then how you're picked is this. You have to give a like to the video, and you have to make a comment. As long as it's positive. I'm not thin-skinned, all right? I've been there and back. Reason why I only like positive comments is this. It sets a positive standard for the world, or my world, okay? There's enough negativity out there to where I really have to see somebody that's eager on the keyboard to say something nasty to me. I get it all the time. I just delete you. And I warn you about it. I just delete you. All right? You know, one guy, very nice guy, said he watches my videos, learns a lot, but he said I talk too damn much. Hey, I'm sorry. It's just me. I'm leaving a legacy for my son. It is what it is, right? Anyway, back to this. I'll show you here it completed. But all you got to do, like I say, is hit a like button, make a positive comment, and be a subscriber. But here's the other kicker. The more comments you make, that's like buying another ticket to the lottery. So you want to make multiple comments or whatever, it's multiple chances to win. I use a deal off of YouTube. It's called Random Comment Picker. So it'll go through, and I don't click the button that cuts off duplicate users or whatever. So, you know, like if you make 2 comments, it's 2 extra tries. You make 3, that's whatever. Okay? It's just my way of giving back. There's no charge for this. I'll ship this out to anyone in the world. It's just all for me saying thank you. All right? Another thing real quick before I flip this over, you know, I'm just a hack with a brush, all right? And how I learned to paint and do some artwork was after a major accident in the fire department. I broke my neck, and in my downtime while I was recovering, I met an old grumpy-ass military Army sergeant, and he took me under his wing, and this is a way that he went through his stress and possibly post-traumatic stress disorder, which I suffer from. And it's a way that it relieves me. And on the bad days, good day, it's just a good thing to have a release, okay? So, he helped me. I like to help others. All right? So if you're in the military or have been in the military, I salute you. If you're a police officer or ex-fireman or still a firefighter or ex-police officer, I salute you. You know why? When all of God's things are running out, we're the ones that ran in or still run in. All right. I still find myself, I can't stop myself from helping people, broke down on the side of the road, an accident, whatever. You know, last year I pulled a lady out of a burning car or whatever. You know, some people tell me I'm a fool. I'm sorry. Some of us do, some of us don't. And also, this whole video deal on this is dedicated, my whole channel, to the blue collar man. I want you to be successful and doing some new artwork. There'll be a new sticker on Blue Collar Millionaire. I'm finalizing some stuff in my head, and once I put it on pen and paper, and I'll draw it out or have someone help me with a computer illustrate it. Yada yada, whatever. Anyway, enough of this. Let's turn around to Popeye, show you what you're gonna win. All right. Remember, don't cost you nothing. Okay. All it costs is a click and a comment. All right. Hold on. There's Popeye. He's all done. It's on his motorcycle. I had to stop somewhere. I could have detailed forever, and just to make the deadline. This is what he looks like. It's all done. I think it's pretty damn cool, Popeye. Whoever the original artist was did a great job. I just added my own flip and turn to it, detailing some stuff on, putting color into Popeye, different shades in his face and stuff or whatever. You know, just my little addition to it, the gravel, the yard, the colors in the back. And it's signed my real name, Adam Baylog, and the Mustang Rebuilder. There you go. All right. Anyway, we'll post this up tomorrow. God bless you all, and thank you. It's just a short little give back video. And you know what? We're almost coming to a new year. I got a few more videos in me before the end of the year. And I'm going to hold you guys to something, all right? I want you guys really to produce. If it's been a bad year, bad year. We'll start fresh. And I'm going to start doing some more artwork due to you guys and giving it away. I'm giving away, this is the original. I'm giving away the original. I will make some prints off of this. That way I got a copy. All right, I can hang it in my shop. And then if the prints come out okay, I'll just charge like $10 for a print, and that's if shipping and everything. That's if I could get it all managed out, you know. Anyway, God bless you. Good luck to the winner.